Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to share files and folders in OneDrive. If you find this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. First, open your browser and search for OneDrive. Scroll down and click on the OneDrive link. Now, sign in with your Microsoft account. Once signed in, go to the top and click Create and Upload. Choose File Upload if it's a single file, or Folder Upload if you want to upload an entire folder. Select your file, click Open, and it will start uploading. When it's done, click My Files to find it. Hover over the file you want to share and click the Share icon, or select the file and click Share at the top. By default, the link allows editing. Click on anyone with the link or the pencil icon to change the settings. Here, you can switch from Can Edit to Can View if you want view-only access. Click Apply. Now you have two options: Send Link, type in an email address, add a message, and click Send. Or Copy Link, copy the generated link, and share it through chat, email, or any other app. Finally, click Copy Link and send it to whoever you want. They'll now have access to your file. You can also share an entire folder the same way. Just upload the folder, then select it, click Share, and adjust the settings. Copy the link and send it to whoever you want. They'll now have access to your folder. That's it. That's how you share files and folders in OneDrive with either edit or view-only permissions. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.